Hey, hey, hey! Guess where Senora is today? I'm at a car cruise night. A classic car cruise night. You want to see the cars? I got rained on, so it's not too many people, so that's good. You can see the cars better. Come on, follow me. Let's go check out the cars. The classic cars. Well, we're not going to walk it because it's sprinkling and raining, so we're just going to drive and check out the classic cars.
Oh, look, he's still
Follow us. It's going to be a ride-along cruise night because it's just finished raining again. That fountain cool. Yeah, I so do too. Well, that's it. Cruise night's over. For us, anyway. We're driving home. And yeah, we had to be a drive along one because it was raining, as it has all this year. Maybe next week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Press that like button. I like to see likes. Till next time. Mwah.